As I have said before, having a great collection and not having the right business plan in place could be a disaster. You must know the business side of fashion design. And I can speak from experience. When I had a small collection of handmade, one-of-a-kind t-shirts that I was selling in front of the Plaza Hotel in New York City, yep, that's right, in my younger days, I failed because I did not have the proper business plan in place. Now, as far as your homework, take this opportunity to turn your vision into an actual business. Yes, why not? This is your chance to start actualizing what you've always wanted to achieve. A business where you are the boss. Your time, your schedule, independence and power. Go for it. Start your business plan and see where it takes you. The sky is the limit. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class.